Happy New Year, everyone! Thank God we made it to 2024, and I hope the management and staff of Shop and Relax finally get a break after working hard to ensure our packages and yours get to their destinations on time for the holidays. My name is Linval Taylor, and many of you might know that since 2018, my wife Minerva and I have provided scholarships and grants to the inner city youths of Waterhouse and other underserved communities. We have been shipping packages, primarily computers, to the youths and others, and then I discovered Shop and Relax in 2020. We have not used another carrier since, and that will not change for 2024 and beyond. Shop and Relax has provided us with excellent customer service, and coupled with that, they ensure that our packages get to the recipients on time, no matter where they live in the inner cities. If there is an issue, Shop and Relax will call or text to resolve the problem quickly. Also, timely email and online portal updates let you know your shipment status. I admire their business model and see that you will do likewise. I don't usually make these recommendations, but I have taken this opportunity to do so as this service is excellent and the prices are competitive. I implore you to use Shop and Relax for your timely shipping need to Jamaica, our beloved country, in 2024 and beyond. If you are not already a customer, please go to www.shopandrelax.com. That's www.shop, the letter N, relax.com to set up your account and prepare to start using this extremely reliable service. My New Year resolution is to continue to use shopandrelax.com. You should too. The company's name means what it says. Yes, you can indeed shop and relax.